Across industries, longevity matters. Equipment is expected to work hard, last decades, and be recycled responsibly. When a major aluminium producer reached that point where motors installed decades earlier were nearing the end of their life, we took that philosophy to heart. We wanted to minimize waste while ensuring continuity, reliability, and a seamless transition to the next generation of assets. So we worked closely with the customer to replace obsolete motors and drives with modern, high-efficiency ones, engineered to meet their specific needs. At the same time, legacy equipment was responsibly decommissioned with more than 99% of materials recovered. The result? Improved performance and speed control, lower risk, economic and environmental value captured at the end of their life, and confidence that their operations are ready to run for decades to come.
ABB, end of life and replacements you can count on.